Hello everyone! The facelifted Kia EV6 GT has been launched in Korea ahead of its just market launch in H1 2025. The performance flagship of the EV6 lineup looks very similar to the milder GT line trim. The GT gains a stronger powertrain with up to 645 horsepower, fake gears, and a larger 84 kilowatts per hour battery. Kia has given us our first look at the new GT version of the facelifted EV6 in Korea, introducing a host of styling, tech, and mechanical enhancements over its well-received predecessor. The refreshed EV6 first debuted in May 2024, with the North American spec version making its appearance in November at the Los Angeles Auto Show. At the time, Kia only showed us the standard and GT line trims, so this marks our first proper look at the flagship GT variant. Predictably, the EV6 GT borrows heavily from the GT line trim, sharing the same aggressive bodykit and sleek, slimmer LED lights. But a closer look reveals a few key design flourishes that set the GT apart. For starters, the GT rolls on an exclusive set of 21-inch alloy wheels, paired with striking lime green brake calipers. The differences don't end there. Look to the bumper intakes, where the GT sports a unique pattern, alongside a redesigned rear diffuser and vertical reflectors replacing the GT line's horizontal ones. The exterior color palette adds further distinction. While the Wharf Grey option grabs attention in the press shots, other hues include Snow White Pearl, Runway Red, Aurora Black Pearl, and the Yacht Matte Blue. Inside, the GT-exclusive black and neon theme continues the lime green accents on black leather and suede upholstery. Tech-wise, the EV6 GT keeps up with modern expectations, adding a curved digital cockpit that integrates dual 1.2.3-inch displays, augmented reality navigation, and a reworked steering wheel. Sports bucket seats now come with 8-way power adjustment, heating, and ventilation, making sure you stay planted, comfortable, and cool. In addition to the welcome exterior and interior upgrades, the 2026 Kia EV6 GT benefits from extra grunt and a larger battery, matching the specs of the mechanically related Hyundai Ioniq 5 Newtons. The dual-motor AWD powertrain produces a combined 601 horsepower, 448 kilowatts, and 740 newton-meters of torque, which can grow to 645 horsepower, 481 kilowatts, and 770 newton-meters using the temporary boost function. When launch control is activated, the 0 to 100 kilowatts per hour sprint can be completed in 3.5 seconds. Despite the extra power, the acceleration figure is identical to the pre-facelifted EV6 GT, making it 0.1 seconds slower than the Hyundai Ioniq 5 Newtons. What sets the EV6 GT apart from the pre-facelift model is the virtual gear shift system borrowed from the Hyundai. Yes, it's a bit gimmicky, but for those nostalgic for internal combustion drama, this faux gearbox simulates shifts with sound effects and torque modulation. Whether you'll find it engaging or a novelty that wears thin after a few miles is up for debate, but at least Kia is trying to inject some personality into the EV experience. Other standard performance goodies include the electronically controlled suspension and the electronic limited slip differential. Last but not least, thanks to a new 84 kilowatts per hour battery, up from 7.4 kilowatts per hour, the EV6 GT offers a modest boost in range, now reaching 355 kilowatts 221 miles under Korea's testing protocols. Official EPA figures haven't landed yet, but expect something slightly below this mark. As with the previous model, the battery supports 350 kilowatts fast charging, letting you juice up from 10 to 80% in just under 18 minutes. The EV6 GT is already available to order in Korea, with North American deliveries scheduled to start in the first half of 2025. Despite the added performance and tech, Kia has held Korean pricing steady at $51,800 after subsidies. Whether the U.S.-spec model will maintain its predecessor's $61,600 MSRP remains to be seen. But if so, it'll remain a strong choice for anyone eyeing the upper echelon of performance EVs. Friends, Do you like the new 2026 Kia EV6? Write your opinion in the comments, as well as like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.